all done. I'm all done. I'm all done. I'm all done. I'm all done.
Good
My friend has a
morning to
Bob
myself.
stroller for sale.
Oh gosh, it works. I just can't use the car seat when she's sleeping.
This one looks a little haggard.
Because at some point I would
What?
need those things. I don't think
Put
at
the
all.
clothes
Unless I've
on,
got a
sis.
tray. 'Cause I think the trays go into them too.
We gotta
Really?
feed the
Yeah, the whole
baby.
adapter system. So it's silly that they don't sell them separate.
Babies, I think it too.
Some of those things only come as a system.
Okay, good.
Stupid. It's stupid.
The one we had
And,
was only sold. Like you couldn't get it. It was
okay, specify on.
I mean, if I
Let's go
have to
wake up
rebuy it, I'm
Sissy.
going to email the airport and
hold
be
on.
like, hey, just so you know, like, it went up. Like, this is now what I have to buy it for.
yeah.
Come on.
Did you say you
Now
know
let's
the company?
go wake up her.
Yeah.
So they might have like I saw on their website.
Where did
that,
If you get a brand new one, you can put that other one up
Um.
for sale for use and be like, hey, there's a car seat and a stroller. They just don't work together anymore.
I know. I could almost
Were you
even
up
keep
all
the car
night?
seat and have
Kinda.
two
Two.
for when I have Camilla.
Yeah.
And then just sell the stroller.
Or, and just have them in each vehicle where you don't have to shift.
Well, I have a base in both of our vehicles
Oh.
right now. But
Well,
then my mom really
let's
wants
get you
one. But I'm
to
like, I'm not buying you a
bed.
base, man. They're like $120. If you want to buy a base, you can buy a
Yeah.
base. But then that would give me an extra.
water?
Um, no, I don't remember.
Come on.
Oh, just how
We
much
gotta
just
make
the
her a
stroller.
drink. Let's make her a nice drink. So let's just make it.
Dude, houses are still kind of cheap in Cave Junction.
Oh, but that wouldn't really solve my problem because I still wouldn't have the adapters.
What? No, I said houses.
Okay.
Wait,
I was
oh, you
I
were
was still
talking.
on a different thought.
You were thinking out loud.
Okay.
How far is
make
Cave
her
Junction from you?
a
Oh, Cave
Drink.
Junction is like an hour and a half.
Oh, that one's
Make her.
that's awesome. I had a girlfriend that was from Cave Junction once
Really?
when I was like 18.
How do you meet somebody from Cave Junction?
She had moved it. She was from there, but then moved down with her
Oh.
sister and brother-in-law down in Davis, where I live.
Okay.
Yeah, but that was the only time I ever heard of Cave Junction. I think she had moved back there and had like 10 kids.
Yikes.
But I think like her mom, she lived there with her mom, like lived there with her mom, and her mom was kind of like a dirtbag, and like she moved away to her sisters down in California to like
What was
try
I gonna
and
do? Oh, right, forks.
have
I-
opportunity or something.
Forgot I don't have any forks. No forks!
Good hand, kid. You're very smiley. Oh, and you're getting so big. Look how long you are. You're like almost longer than your changing pad. I don't like it.
And let's grab ourselves some drinks.
I don't like it. You're not supposed to get this big. You're supposed to stay small forever.
Mhm. And now.
Should I change you? This thing is like soaking wet.
Now time for
Let
me.
me put your air out a little. How about
Oh yeah.
that?
Honey, come get the food.
You and Kinley can just run around in undies later.
No.
Exactly, huh? Exactly.
Okay.
Clothes are overrated.
Kinley, why do you say no? You always run around just underwear. I have to like beg you to put pants on.
Yeah.
Should probably do that. Thinking like in town, and then it's like, oh, I'm like, where at? He's like, Whitewater. I'm like,
It's like 20 minutes away. No thanks.
Yeah, with gas prices right now, man, come on.
I mean, it's not that far from here. But it'd probably be 20 minutes round trip.
Hey, you gotta get at least $1 a mile.
Well, and I'm just
It's
picturing
also
like
just,
get
like-
down there and then you'd be like, oh, that's not gonna fit my dog. Like,
But also, it's for a $20 dog
10
harness.
hours later.
Like, if anything, be
that
like...
I got off of Amazon for like $30.
Can you just not return it now? Is it too late?
No, we got it when she was a puppy, and it's just been sitting here. We like put it on, it didn't quite fit her right, and we got a different harness, and it's been sitting here.
It might fit Theodore.
Last week we were
You
like,
don't do anything with Theodore.
Oh, lame.
and like last week we were like cleaning
He
the
just runs
garage.
around